Welcome to Pirates Fans TV. It's a 2-0 to Orlando Pirates. It's Tate Raps. You analyze the game, Tate Raps. How are you feeling? Football is back.
No, ekuthabela bona Pirates ikhutlile mfethu. First game, first win, 2-0. Re latile di goals 8 at least. And ka di new members re thabile blind bafana ba le badlala. La re so ba understand kaofela who's who. But at least re bona re na le bo Rapo, re na le bo Masilela ka mohari. Yeah, but the best Dancing is going to do something for Pirates. Ke a rata Ntwana ile and re follow le didenya bona from Spain. Re ba shebella Ntwana tsena no di kemiseditsa. O bona lo re mfokeng hayo la lo re Ntwanela 49. A tloreletsa mhlolo Ntwanela ke ngane.
Idala tsana le mali.
Ntwanela mfethu ke o tshela hore the way in free ka teng ke mfokeng o yeme ngahayo o yema. Yeah, ke style sa mfokeng wa bona Ntwanela tloetsa ntho tse grand. Yeah, so Pirates TV, keep it up guys. Le re kenya bathong le etsa hore tsebale next sa tsebe hore ke ta tsebale in Botswana. Ka phonela from Botswana hore di Pirates TV ba fethu di likes re follow di denyena and Mapagania. Ke buile le last year ha re tlokwala re le Lambombela ka we are the first team ya wetsa sold out. Today we done the same thing again. So keep it up Mapagania o be jwalo ska ba Mapagania. Ke bona ngwe change skipper ine kenza skipper sal cause ya buya change Kenya skipper sa Pirates. So re machita ba fethu keep it up Mapagania.
Yeah.
Ke mnana.
No, here we got ticket price in fact from 60 rand to 100 rand. That's ridiculous.
No, I irishayile la denyena because I was the first person who lo buy Canada kirki party ke bar no reme hanyane Pirates senteni solver pricing. Aki khutla surprise le clipa ka batho bana ba retsana re dina best supporters re tla stadium wire but now re tla etsa jwang because dintho di kupugile wa bona dintho tsa bo di oil di what di costa economy ya rona but ho tla ba right because re tshabela taba ya stadium mo re lo re keep everyone kaofela re be together mara re shebelle taba ya spins skopo raspaya mara Pirates kopura di price re batla wara mara shebella re ditseng full house. So a re bone pricing fethu nna ke re ke sharp ka yona but in sosa guy ha tlo ba ko Thabing tlo ba bokae ke na Thabing so ko tshora ya Thabing tlo ba two clip so but now keep it up re tla ya ba fethu re tla zama rona ba di 350 re tla zama re pele di clipanyana ka mosite re be jwana Mapagane yo bona
no chat
happy people always once and always I'm so happy ukuthi I'm here in the stadium. 900 rand again. I'm still raising the 1,300 for my seasonal tickets. We're doing it again this season. We did it last season. We're doing it again this season.
Okay,
so guys, we're going to be doing this for
season pass
for the whole year.
650.
From 650 to the 1.3. I'm going to the 1.3.
Oh, last season
we've been here. Okay. We're going again 1.3. We're buying it.
Yeah. Otherwise the game can't.
There's nothing to cry about, and all I want to tell them, my fans, trust the process. We've got a coach. You've seen number 49, they're doing excellent. You've seen everyone was put into play did a very good job to play for Pirates, and this is a good thing. We thank him.
Young
Dancing is a cream. Excellent work, excellent. Even when he's dancing now, everyone will cry here. No, the boy is doing good. He's coming up right, and I think this season is his season. Yeah.
Thanks, Gans.
Yeah, ibuyile ibhola bafungu. Nawu bonile. Singenile Orlando sambambo 3 points as usual. Kuyasebenzeka bafungu. Yonke into ihamba right. Yonke into ihamba right.
Awe honest kimi mfethu. The time ungene stadium. We're not expecting Boma 5-0. I mean, this is a newly promoted team. What did you think of the performance of the boys?
No, bafinde bendi expectile ngo2-0 uzile straight.
Bonamanga.
Serious bafo. Uzayibona ivideo yami maybe kwenye podcast. Ngithilo ngithe 2-0 ungenile. So yonke into imnandi bafo.
Man of the match
udancing ndiyafana nawe bafo.
Uyafana. Remember? Udancing ngathi ngibhuti wakho straight. Nifana straight. Ubheka ukuthi ngathi mathwinini. Uyafana dancing.
Bafethu idala silambele ibhola nje. Ube ngifuna ukuphuza amanzi namhlanje ngiwaphuzile la earena. So asiphusheni bafowethu ama-season ticket it helps. Leya last season, this season ngi-applyile online 1.3. I'm gonna receive it next week. During the week I will come and collect it. So ibholo bafowethu iPirates idlala ibholo lemnandi, idlala ibholo lemnandi iPirates. Into yenza iPirates bafowethu hayi siyasutha masila. Masingabukela ibholo asijabule. iPirates la kuse university bafowethu. This is a university of football. Come to Arena, you enjoy to watch football. This is a quality football. We are playing with youngsters under 23. Kuma player wonke siwasayinile. Player lane indala icompany lungu and simsayinele for what? Kuthi sikhona ukuthi sibane the experience. Sifuna lestars S2. This season we're going to collect 5 caps. 5 caps, nibonile quality football bafowethu. For quality football la Orlando. If you want to enjoy football, come to Orlando. Avoid abo FNB nabo Loftus. Come to Orlando. You're gonna see that quality football. Pagania once and always.
Mapagania. Yabona this season ascars siyenza kuphela. Also uSipho Mbule uhambile kuhambena kuphela iziphayisi ushiye kudancing. Nguye phethe iziphayisi udancing kule game. Asichazi, asi-explain siyenza cha.
Hey Mapagania nonke ne mnanazi today kokuthi from last season we take it from last season. Last season the league siyayithatha. And ukuthi team letasiphazamisa ne. I'm happy konke ama player wethu bafethu. Into engicelayo ukuthi asisupport ama player wethu every time send show ukuthi stadium si full as Mapagania. What's a Pagania? Always a Pagania, and we can win the league.
I came very sharp namhlanje mfethu hayi bafana bayabatlanga like Tsakengopo bona sold out today hayi bona la Orlando ya defender league le itayiteka vela kuna team lenga ta winner la. So I'm happy about the performance of a team, especially Darcy at the best midfield and Khotitsile I still he gonna get more time as good players that time.
Good. On the new signings, who's that one player that you most looking forward to see?
Gaban Lung must deserve the game time. That guy is the pace, is the best that one. Yeah.
Sebastian.
Yeah?
Sebastian.
Yeah, that one's good as well. Yeah, I can't wait the new strikers to see it. Yeah.
Next member, Boba.
I would like to say the game was nice. I enjoyed and like we led 2-0. Yeah, even though we wanted 3, but we got 2. But we okay, we fine as long as they scored nothing. As long as we win it, as long as we win it is what it is.
Thanks, and how are you?
Good. Kemi,
Yes.
what did you see?
It was a good game for a first match. It was very good. Thank you to the boys. Tito, I just think that he has to improve.
Tito.
Yes, Tito. Yes.
Or on which department?
On the passing and the tackling.
Yeah.
Yes.
You heard Tito, you have to improve in Jeve. Ukraine vet.
Khona into asafuna ukuyisho lo mntana beyanga
And I just wanted to say, skipper say, this sweater, it can senzo. Say the Orlando Pirates family. My grandfather's the founder of Orlando Pirates. I just wanted to say that. And this was given by Senzo Meyiwa, and he will forever be remembered.
Who's your grandfather?
Khosnyan.
Okay.
Yes, Betwa Khosnyan.
Okay.
Yes. So this is my home, my family.
What's your name?
Nini Mkhosnyan.
Oh, Nini Mkhosnyan. Oh, nice.
There's my
Shout out.
dad. He knows everyone in the Pirates. Even Ivan.
But the dad is there. Come. We need the 2 words from you. Ukraine.
Grand program. Hayi Pagania siyalthanda. Yebo program isekazini.
I was telling a history phela inkosazana isitshele kancane sifuna ukuthi wena uyiqedelele njengomuntu omdala. Ungasabi tshela amabhakaneni.
History Pagania. Sisekazini uPagania team kamkhulu. So sithanda
noma ungayenzakalani iyawa kwenzakalani mara team yasekhaya siyayithanda nama player wethu siyabonga ngicela ukubona uchairman siyabonga I'm happy sibonga ichairman yethu
Mpumi Khoza or Dr. Ivan Khoza?
Dr. both the whole family yes the whole family besebenza kamnandi awu ngiyabonga bro wami
Shotema Boba
Thank you.